Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to our esteemed lecturer and fellow classmates. We are from the Hayu Beli Group and we will be presenting an in-depth analysis of personal cash management. We often observe a phenomenon where a student feels highly prosperous at the beginning of the month, but suddenly experiences a severe liquidity crisis by the middle of the month. Why does this happen? Let's break it down together. Let's take a look at my personal financial data as a case study. On the first of every month, there is a cash inflow of 2 million rupiah. However, within the first 10 days, there is a massive accumulation of cash outflow. The cash is immediately drained by fixed expense categories such as digital app subscription, lifestyle or skincare needs, as well as the cost of social activities outside the home. This pattern of the front-loading expenses at the beginning of the period causes a cash flow mismatch, where cash liquidity drops drastically before the monthly period ends.
Continuing Hafiz analysis, the first step to address this mismatch is currently being taken: cash flow synchronization. In working capital management, company must align the timing of cash inflows and outflows. In practice, Hafiz must set aside fixed funds from the beginning of the month into a dedicated account, then divide the remaining operational funds into weekly allocation equivalent to the weekly salary system. With this same, cash outflow is distributed evenly each week, preventing a lack of liquidity mid-month.
In addition to periodic synchronization, we can adopt the academic theory of the Miller model to determine the optimal cash balance. This model is very relevant for managing the uncertainty of the student daily expenses. We set three key points: the lower limit, the target point, and the upper limit. The lower limit is set as the minimum emergency fund in the account. If the daily cash balance reaches his lower limit, Hafiz must liquidate or transfer fund from this main weekly account. On the contrary, if the cash balance in the main account touches the upper limit, it means there is an amount of idle cash. Based on the Miller formula, this excess cash should be immediately transferred to short-term investment instruments of fixed-term saving accounts that are not easily accessible. This is done to reduce opportunity costs and minimize impulsive consumption behavior resulting from holding too much cash.
From the explanations provided by my colleagues, it can be concluded that poor cash management stems from a failure to synchronize fund allocation timing and the absence of an optimal balance limit. By applying weekly budgeting disciplines and the principle of the Miller-Orr model, the stability of personal financial liquidity can be well maintained. Remember, cash is king, but proper management is the ultimate key. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.